Why you should invest $1,000 into Phantasma now. Hey there, guys, and welcome back to the crypto world, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Hey, quickly before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not a financial advisor, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your research. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. Today, I'll explain why you need to invest $1,000 into Phantasma now. Let's generally look at what this crypto is and how it operates. What exactly is a Phantasma? First, let's look at the fundamentals of Phantasma before diving into the price prediction. The company claims that the Phantasma blockchain was explicitly built for cross-chain NFT trading and decentralized video gaming. It provides developers with the tools to create bespoke, scalable, in-game economies. Founded by Portuguese gamer Sergio Flores in October 2019, Phantasma launched its mainnet. A partnership with GoT Entertainment and its Pavilion Gaming Hub has allowed Phantasma's network of developers to release a variety of gaming and DeFi applications within the blockchain's short lifespan. There are supposedly innovative smart NFT design functions and a sidechain architecture that Phantasma claims to be designed for developers to take advantage of. Guys, looking at the potential that this crypto has can be a good reason why you need to invest at least $1,000 now. How much potential do you think it exhibits? How big of a deal is Phantasma? The buzz surrounding Phantasma project is unsurprising. Even as the broader crypto market began to falter towards the end of 2021, the value of its coin continued to rise. However, Sol's $376 million or £277 million market capitalization is significantly less than other decentralized gaming tokens. For example, Gala, which has a market capitalization of more than $3 billion, has nearly 7 billion tokens in circulation, compared to Sol's just over 100 million tokens. Sol's trading volume is also limited because it is only available on the KuCoin and Gate.io and the decentralized exchanges Uniswap and PancakeSwap, all of which have limited exchange support. We may list Sol on Binance or Crypto.com if it succeeds. With this said, let's make an analysis of what is to come if you invested $1,000 in Phantasma now. Theoretically, there are three reasons why one needs to consider investing $1,000 in Phantasma currently. They include the new project launch on Phantasma, cross-chain interoperability, and NFT gaming popularity. New project launch on Phantasma. This week saw the debut of a number of new projects on the network, which has been described as the most significant development in the Phantasma ecosystem in a long time. This includes the role-playing card game Bloodrune, the mobile game Ghost Festival, and the NFT marketplace Ghost Markets, among other games and applications. In addition, the Ghost Market NFT marketplace is currently conducting its initial decentralized exchange offering, or IDO, on Flamingo Finance and will have its GM token available to operate on the 6 different networks that Ghost Market supports, including Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain, Phantasma, Avalanche, Polygon, and the Neo N3 blockchain. Using Phantasma over other chains has many advantages, one of which is its dual token structure, which allows Sol token holders to risk their tokens in order to gain Phantasma energy, which is a kind of cryptocurrency, KCAL. In turn, they may be used to cover the costs of transaction charges. For Sol holders, this effectively eliminates the cost of transaction. It's also certified as a carbon negative blockchain, which has contributed to the good attention that it's received so far. Other networks, such as Ethereum, which is known for having a huge carbon footprint due to its use of mining, are distinguished by the fact that they do not use mining. Cross-chain interoperability. The inclusion of cross-chain compatibility with many blockchain networks, including Ethereum, BSC, and Neo, is a second factor contributing to the increasing strength of Phantasma. The Phantasma chain, in addition to providing interoperability with other networks, is capable of achieving significant levels of throughput on its own. This is owing to the network's capacity to host an endless number of sidechains, while the network as a whole benefits from the inclusion of native oracles in the core of the network's architecture. Because interoperability seems to be one of the most important topics in the cryptocurrency ecosystem for the year 2022, projects who have already begun to make it a priority in their development are likely to outperform their counterparts who have not yet begun. This will encourage cryptocurrency users to get more comfortable with dealing across a variety of networks as time goes on. The popularity of NFT and gaming. The third factor contributing to the increasing strength of Phantasma is the growing popularity of gaming and non-financial transaction (NFT) initiatives as a blockchain continues to grow. According to statistics from Google Trends, interest in NFTs has been increasing since early 2021 and reached a high in the middle of December when Phantasma was presenting new projects and extolling the company's low-cost capabilities, among other things. Additionally, popular blockchain-based games like Axie Infinity have spurred the growth of play-to-earn games across the cryptocurrency ecosystem. On top of the overall increase in interest in non-fungible tokens, Phantasma's high throughput and low-cost features make it a desirable alternative for players who want to maximize their winnings while reducing transaction costs while minimizing transaction expenses. With the interest in gaming and NFTs showing no signs of waning in the foreseeable future, initiatives that are geared towards enabling their development and acceptance may see their values climb as NFTs become more widely used and accepted. Another way of determining the need of investing at least $1,000 in Phantasma right now is through analyzing its price prediction. The current price of Phantasma. The current price of Phantasma coin is $1.36, meaning if you invest $1,000, you will have around 736 Phantasma coins. The price of Phantasma is anticipated to reach a minimum of $1.89 this year based on our in-depth technical research on previous price data of SOL in the past. The SOL price may reach a top of $2.22 with an average trading price of $1.95 with a maximum level of $2.22. Investing your 736 Phantasma coins will mean that you will have $1,435.02, meaning you've made a profit of $435.02. The price predictions for Phantasma in 2023. A minimum price of $2.73 is expected to be reached for Phantasma by 2023, according to forecasts. Price of Phantasma in 2023 might reach a high of $3.27 with an average price of $2.81 during this year and next year. So if you decide to continue investing in your coins in 2023, you will have 736 by $2.81, which is $2,009.28, meaning you will be able to get a whopping profit of $1,009.28. Combining the profits for the 2 years, you will be at $1,444.48. Still going with the bought 736 coins bought to 2024, there will be a great benefit since the price is expected to go even higher. Forecast prices and technical analysis estimate that the price of Phantasma will reach a low of $4.06 in 2024, with a maximum cost of $8.06 in 2024. The SOL price may reach a top of $4.73, with an average trading price of $4.20, with the maximum level of $4.73, 736 by $4.20, which is $3,091.02. With this trend, can you say that investing in Phantasma is a good idea? Remember, before you make any decision, do your own research. SOL saw a powerful bull run throughout the months of November and December 2021, beating several of its competitors despite the broader crypto market dip at the time. On the 30th of November, the price achieved an all-time high of $3.08, which was quickly followed by a sharp fall. Following a period of flat trading in the later part of December, the currency launched a new bull run at the start of 2022, beginning with an 18.5% gain on the 1st of January and closing successively higher on the next 2 days. Throughout the trading day on January 4th, there is a tug of war between buyers and sellers. Prices have equaled the all-time high, but a lengthy upper wick indicates that there will be a significant resistance. If the rejection is effective, SOL might return to the $2.25 level, which was the area where the majority of trading activity was recorded during the sideways trade in December. Because of the strong start to the year, moving averages, or MAs, are exhibiting a strong bullish trend, with a growing gap between the 9-day and 21-day moving averages. Potential investors may want to wait and observe how the price responds to the present resistance line that it is teasing before making any decisions. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, indicates that the market is overbought, which might signal the beginning of a sell-off. If this is the case, it may be best to hold off until the next downturn. However you want to go about it, please make certain that we undertake our own in-depth due diligence. This Phantasma price prediction is provided just for educational reasons and should not be construed as a financial forecast. Some good features of the Phantasma price forecast include excellent fundamentals and a stable chart performance, among other things. Remembering that all investments are potentially dangerous, you should never invest more money than you can afford to lose in a given investing period. If you enjoyed the video, then you already know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you so much for watching.